Hello, Pip Nation and traders. This is your girl Stiletto Pips. It is actually 4:40 in the morning. I am up for the London session. Yes, you see I got a do-rag on. I don't even care, but I need to bring you this information. I am using my trade assistance. It's real quick and easy. It tells me to buy right here during the London session. What do? I buy. I'm already up 17 pips. I'm only looking to go 20 pips. I'm about to reach my destination. As you can see, the take profit light is on at my take profit destination price of 1.36000. Easy peasy, 1, 2, 3. If I can do it, you can do it. If you want to know more about how you can begin to make pip moves with me, Stiletto Pips, listen, click the link in my bio, okay, and get registered for my next Forex for Beginners free cram course. I'll see you on the inside, or maybe I'll meet you at the bank.